One of the things we'd like to do with our flight is accept seat bookings. To do that, we need to know the seating layout, and for that we need to know the type of aircraft. Let's make another class to model different kinds of aircraft. The initializer creates four attributes for the aircraft: registration number, a model name, the number of rows of seats, and the number of seats per row. In a production code scenario, we would validate these arguments to ensure, for example, that the number of rows was not negative. This is straightforward enough, but for the seating plan, we'd like something a little more in line with our booking system. Rows in aircraft are numbered from 1, and the seats within each row are designated with letters from an alphabet which omits I to avoid confusion with 1. We'll add a seating plan method which returns the allowed rows and seats as tuples containing a range object and a string of seat letters. It's worth pausing for a second to make sure you understand how this function works. The range call produces an iterable sequence of row numbers up to the number of rows in the plane. The string and its slice method return a string with one character per seat. These two objects, the range and the string, are bundled up into a tuple. With that in mind, let's construct a plane. See how we use keyword arguments for the rows and seats for documentary purposes. Also recall that ranges are half open, so 23 is intentionally one beyond the end of the range.